What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Caesar, Caesar LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. And boy, it's hot today. It's about to rain, feeling like, but I got this situation. Working on this 2007 Ford Ranger, and well, I guess I'll just show you. Customers like, hey man, think about doing something with this oil pan bolt. It's a little strip. Like, well, that's more than a little bit. So I've tried different extraction tools, man, and I've run out of ideas besides this last one that I'm about to try. This is a 13 millimeter. Oh, you all right? It's okay. Oh, my son fell, but he's a trooper. But I got a 12 point 13 millimeter socket 3/8 drive from Sears that was made in Taiwan that I'm gonna attempt to weld here and use this whole thing to get it off. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm praying that it does, because he needs to change his oil. And he's like, well, can you just find me an oil pan? As you can probably tell, it is heavily rusted down here. I really don't want to get into it because I can see how that can easily go wrong. So yeah, we got this to do, and we got to weld up a muffler, but those are going to be separate videos if I even post that one up. But we're going to get into it right after the intro. All right, so in all fairness, I wanted to give the ones that I did try the benefit of the doubt. Hey, say what's up.
What's up?
It's my little guy, one of my little guys. All right, so I went to O'Reilly's, it's my part store of choice, and bought this Power Torque, which I believe is their brand, bolt extractor tool. Hey, don't go too far with that, I need it. And I also bought this Titan damage bolt extractor. And I'm gonna be honest, I tried both of these, and they both suck. But for the purpose of this video, since I got a few minutes, I want to make sure I can show you guys that they actually did suck, and I wouldn't spend another dime on these. Matter of fact, I got another one. Let me go find the other one, and I'll get right back to you. All right, so I've had this for years, and this one is one of the biggest heartbreaks of my life. One of the worst financial decisions I've made, and it was this Grip Right or Grip Tight with these little sockets in it. These things suck, and they've never worked for me ever. I probably had these for years, probably like 6-7 years. But like I say, for the purposes of demonstration for the video, man, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys so y'all can you know, make your own evaluation. Hey, give me my, yeah, give me, hey, go, come here. Hey, here, I need my tools, son. Thank you. Thank you, running off too like you super fly. All right, no, back up. Listen, daddy recording a video. Give me a minute here.
I see you.
I see you. All right, so this is a 13 millimeter, which is, I believe, was the size that this was originally. And so that's a little bit loose, and it spins all around. So we're gonna try to go. Kai, please back up, please. Let me record for a second. Man, kids, Jesus, boy, I tell you, it's hard to do a lot of things with kids. This is a 12 millimeter. The Grip Right and all the teeth are still intact. All right, so this one doesn't go on very easily, so that's good. So I'm gonna beat that bad boy on there. And just so y'all know, I figure I give many details as possible. This is a Craftsman 3/8 44811, and it's locked up, so I can only use it. It's locked in both ways, so I'm using it as a hammer, and I'm gonna use it for the demonstration purposes. You never know, maybe this time it will work, and that'd be great for me, because I really didn't want to weld it anyway. Yeah.
Hello.
can you back up, please?
Hello.
Just in case you guys are wondering, I do have a jack and jack stands up here, so my little guy is safe. Yeah, you safe. One day I'm gonna have a shop with a lift. It'll be a lot easier. All right, so that is on there. Show you guys. It's on there. Probably could go a little bit more, but we're just gonna make that work. All right, back up, big guy. Stay right over there. Watch your head. Watch your head. There you go. Literally, like it just it wasn't never even on there. That's how soft it is. And I have to use something like this because I don't have enough space because of the control arm, the lower control arm, to actually get a hammer in here. Well, knock my ratchet loose. That's good. Just spinning it. Yeah, this suck. These have. Oh, and it broke the teeth. It broke the teeth. You guys seen it first. Grip tight sucks. Waste of freaking money. I've literally not had one bolt I've needed to extract that actually worked with it. So let's move on to number 2, which is our Power Torque extractor here. Try to get the camera straight. Really would be nice to have a lift, I ain't gonna lie. One day. All right, so this again is this one actually is a pretty good fit. It's a half inch 13 millimeter. Yeah. Well, that went on there really good, as you can see. All the way, here we go. Alright, so you see that's all the way on there. Nope.
Daddy, what's wrong?
What's wrong is that none of these things are working. Not one. And these people need to change the oil. This is why I typically refuse services when cars from up north. Don't want nothing to do with them. Hey, whoa. Hey, son, please, watch out. You'll take daddy's head off down here. Yes, my head, dude. Okay, yeah, it's just getting more and more round. So, product number 2, Power Torque. It looked promising, no bueno. We're getting more and more stripped as we go. I really don't want to have to drop this frame to change out this oil pan. And that's what it looks like if this doesn't go a different direction. So we 2 out of 3 down. Now we're moving on to our Titan. Like I said, I've actually already tried all these and I was giving it one last go to say, well, maybe I did something wrong, or, you know, maybe just it would have worked better if I tried it again. So we're gonna go with this Titan 12.13 millimeter. I think a 13 will fit. If not, I'll try to go to a 12. Oh yeah, I think it was a 16 that I had to use. Yeah, so I put this in a 16 millimeter 12-point Harbor Freight joint opening wrench. I'm gonna beat that on there first. Oh yeah, that's flush, baby. See that? Okay. Like nothing. Nothing. And this one says that it can get off 80%. 80%. Now, I haven't tried every single solution out there, but these are pretty much my main go-tos. I actually just bought this one and this one. The only other one that sucked really bad and I spent a lot of money on at one time is called a Gator Grip. I don't even know where it's at. I think I damn like smelted it down because I was so pissed off that it didn't work and I couldn't find my receipt. And the parts people, yeah, I think that was the one. The parts people gave me a hard time, so yeah, I never wanted to see that tool again. So we went down to 3. My son's ready to go riding the 4-wheeler, and daddy still ain't got this done yet. We got a lot of work to do. So our last hope, man, is this 12 point, and it's rough. I don't even know if this is gonna even weld. I'm praying that it does. Like I say, my game plan is just to tack all around here and throw a fatty bead. All right, so I found my bolt that I'm gonna throw in here. I don't even know what size it is. It looks like a 17 or a 19. Let's give y'all the game plan. All right. Hopefully I can see. I should probably double check to make sure that, yeah, I'm pretty sure I can see. See right there to the, let's see where my hands at. Yeah, here we go. Okay. All right. Game plan is to take this bolt, go around here, and then tack until I can properly weld around the bottom of the drain bolt, and pray that this works because I kept trying to find something else. I didn't have anything, which I'm actually surprised I didn't have anything that would fit the specs of that diameter. I kept finding either something too small or just not gonna work right. So, something like that. Boom, yeah, I think that'll work. That's all I got to grip with as far as ground is concerned. I tell you though, why this Harbor Freight welders definitely came in handy more than its fair share of times. Hopefully this works out for me. It'll be another one that I can add to the list of wins for it. I'm doing this left-handed, no goggles, no mask. It ended up being a 23 millimeter, and because of the way I welded it, I'm having to try to knock past some of these welds to get the socket on there, but that's cool though. Worst part about this is all I need this damn thing to do is come off, and that's like the hardest thing to get it to do. flesh. But I'm the only person down here, so if I'm smelling burnt flesh, it may just be my own. That's not good. Probably should stop that. All right, so I'm gonna give this just a second, let it dry or let it cool, and I think we're just gonna go ahead and hit it like this, y'all, and get to our moment of truth. Cause I'm ready for this thing to be done and out of here. I just need to get an oil catch can. First, I'm just trying to verify it's actually gonna work before I go that far. I'm not gonna worry about hitting it no more. If I have to, I'll take it back off, hit the inside of it. Yeah, just go from there. Really ain't too much more I could even think of. I'm assuming that it's on there hard enough to be able to, I can touch it. So let me get a 1/2-inch ratchet. Okay, I'm afraid again. All right, come on, baby, work out for me. Full faith here, full faith. Wow. Well, nope. Epic fail, man. I can't believe that. I honestly can't believe that didn't work. So enough, it didn't work. I guess I'm replacing this oil pan. I really didn't want to do that, but I ain't giving this no more time. So how do you get a bolt that's stripped off? Something like that. The world may never know. If I find out anything else, I will let you guys know, but until next time, I guess I won't waste no more of your time. Vi pro mundo beneficio siempre. Peace.